Hi there. Do you know, I just had to share with you the information about this product that I've just recently come across. Have you ever considered the sheer volume of single-use plastic waste that ends up in landfill as a direct result of pregnancy tests? In the UK alone, it's estimated to be about 15.5 million pregnancy tests. It's huge. Now, through a friend, Catherine Ann Reid, thank you for introducing us, I met this lovely lady called Lara Solomon. Lara has invented or is producing pregnancy tests that are 99% paper, literally just 1% plastic. So I've got she's kindly sent me a sample. So here it is. So it's called Hoopsy. All of the instructions are written on the back. It's just as accurate as any of those leading brands that you all know already, with a fraction of plastic. So I'm just going to open it. It's exciting, isn't it? So, right. Here we are. It's really simple. So literally, if you're doing the pregnancy test, you'd dip this end, find out the test result, which happens about here. And then what you can then literally just do is tear or cut off this section. This can go into your recycling. And then this bottom bit, then you can dispose of in the bin. So like I say, 99% paper, recyclable, degradable, and just as accurate as any of the leading brands. So if you're looking for pregnancy tests and care about the environment too, then get online and order your Hoopsy.